Hello, my name is Nikhil Soni. I'm here to demonstrate the project that you have given me. The project title is Earthquake Visualizer, which shows the recent earthquakes and seismic patterns through an interactive map and data visualization. The technology stack that I have used is MERN Stack, which is MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. In the front end part, I have used Leaflet.js, React.js, and the Tailwind CSS. And in the backend part, I have used Node.js, Express.js, which is the framework on top of the Node.js. And in the backend part, I have used MongoDB. So, so let me demonstrate the project. So let's start the front end part first. So the front end part is on the port localhost 5173, and now start the backend. The backend is running on the port 5000 and the MongoDB is connected at localhost 127001, and it shows the earthquakes update that occurs recently, and it has 265 earthquake updates. So let's move on to the website. This is the website that I have created using React.js, and it shows the map. In the map, you can see the locations in which the recent earthquake has happened in the last 1 month. And if you click on the drop down and select any location of any magnitude, you can see the animation part which moves you to the particular location. See, you can see all the earthquakes that is mentioned in the drop down. So this is all about my project presentation. Thank you so much.